Hello and welcome to azurewala YouTube channel. We are in how to series. Today we will learn how to set up free Azure account. Before we proceed with today's topic, I would like to inform you that we are providing online instructor-led hands-on Azure trainings. If interested, please feel free to reach me on this WhatsApp number. In this lab, we learn how to set up free Azure account. Microsoft Azure is a cloud computing platform and service operated by Microsoft. It provides a broad range of services including compute, analytics, storage, and networking. Imagine it as a giant virtual data center that you can access and use over the internet from anywhere in the world. You can use any browser or any web browser to create an Microsoft Azure account, and this is the walkthrough. Creating a free Azure account is a straightforward process. Microsoft Azure offers a free tier with a limited amount of resources for 12 months. Here are the steps to create a free Azure account. First step is that we will visit the Azure sign up page. So we'll go to azure.com/free and we can use any existing Microsoft account or we can create a new one during the sign up process. Step 2, we'll sign in or create a Microsoft account. Step 3, we'll provide the verification information. Step 4, we'll complete the Azure sign up form. We'll fill out the Azure sign up form with details such as name, country, and credit card. While Azure free account provides a limited amount of resources for free, a credit card is required for identity verification, and we will not be charged unless we manually upgrade the account or exceed the free tier limit. Then step number 5, we will verify our identity, and it may include entering verification code sent to our email or phone. Step number 6, we will activate our Azure free account. And step number 7, we can explore the Azure portal once it is activated. For this lab purpose, I will be using the Microsoft Edge. Here we will go for try Azure for free. Start free. Here we can sign in with the email account, phone number or Skype ID, or we can sign in with GitHub as well. Next. No. No thanks. We are going to set up our profile. For verification, text me. I will get the verification code on the phone. Verify code. Company name is required. Address is needed. City. The identity verification will be done by the card. Sign up. Next. The sign up process is complete. Setup of the free account is complete now. I hope this video was informative for you. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, press the bell notification icon. Thank you for watching this video. See you in next video.